Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the game version and that you have a data pack file. This prevents incompatibility. Once done, download the data pack zip or folder into a path you can find. Then open Minecraft, select the world you want, click Edit, and choose Open World Folder so you can access game files. This places you right at the data packs directory and avoids extra navigation steps while you continue to install. Now you install the pack by opening the World Saves Data Packs folder. This is where Minecraft looks for custom content. Drag the downloaded zip or the unpacked folder straight into that data packs directory, making sure pack. McMeta sits at the top level so the game recognizes it. Once added, close the folder and return to Minecraft. You'll enable or reload the pack from the world settings, or with /reload. You finish by enabling the data pack in the world data pack screen or by typing /datapacklist and enabling it via commands. This toggles the pack live. After that, run /reload to let Minecraft process resources and then test any custom functions or behavior the pack provides. If something goes wrong, check pack. McMeta for format and version, ensure the pack targets your Minecraft version, and inspect the latest. Log for errors. These steps usually reveal the cause and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.